In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage blocked users in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through this using the web version of Teams, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go whenever you need to review or adjust who you've blocked. This is especially useful if you've blocked someone in the past and now want to unblock them, or if you just want to double check your list for peace of mind. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the main Teams page, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 small dots, often called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This menu is where a lot of your personal account options live, so it's a good one to get familiar with. After you click the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you're going to look for the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open the Settings panel. This panel controls things like notifications, appearance, and in our case, how you manage people you interact with in Teams. Once the settings window is open, you'll see several categories listed along the left-hand side. These might include things like general, notifications, privacy, and more, depending on your version. For this guide, you want to click on the section called People. Take a moment to find it in the list, then select it. The People section is designed to help you manage how you connect and communicate with others in Teams. Inside the People settings, you'll see an option that says Manage Blocked Users. This is the key area we're focusing on. Click on Manage Blocked Users. When you do, Teams will show you a list of any accounts you've blocked. If this list is empty, it simply means you haven't blocked anyone yet. From here, you can review who is currently blocked and make adjustments as needed. For example, if you see someone on the list that you no longer want to block, you'll find an option next to their name to unblock them. Use this area anytime you want to keep control over who can contact you in Microsoft Teams. And that's it. By clicking the 3 dots, opening Settings, selecting People, and then choosing Manage Blocked Users, you can quickly and easily manage your blocked list inside Microsoft Teams.